I mean Kingston 11. I mean say as you're dead, call me. As you're dead, call me. 3 grand sing, 5 grand sing and ball, 7 grand sing ball and roll.
Welcome back, viewers and subscribers. Wagwan, bless up first and foremost. I will on there with the latest updates and mix up and mix downs. AJA. So subscribe if for your first time over your on the channel. As well the description of the video say that a go on as what you can see. So Koffee got bleaching settings, and me I go share the video with you first so you can see what I go on and tell more on the thing, then we elaborate.
Blessing, this is original Koffee representing for Farm Chicks.
Yeah man people, so you can tell me what you think, cause me have other picture I go share. Is it? She name original Koffee, but channel be is me. You bleach out the coffee for brown man, come on man. All that. But we don't know if I stay in an AC down house color, cause you know that them always say ain't that the day, but I mean, she looks sassy down still, the look. But I can't tell more of the thing still. As far as me see it though, is it something not gone. So anyways, the actor, after being released from prison over 10 years, or I think him get 10 years and him supposed to do 10 and beat the appeal. Yeah, so him get free, so that other topic today, and after him forward this time first interview ever.
He was locked up, persecuted, left for dead. 10 years after he was placed behind bars, Christopher "Dawg" Paul Linton is finally coming out as he speaks to the Loop News team about the pain and the suffering that he went to. Kimo Matthews here from Loop News, speaking to Mr. Christopher Linton. Sir Linton, after being released from behind bars, how are you feeling?
Well, Mr. Kimo, I can say it's an amazing feeling to be free and to be reunited with the family and the members of the community. You know. Yeah.
Back on the street for so many days though, why haven't you come forward, to speak your truth, to let us hear what's on your mind?
Okay, well, let me say, after being away for so long, for so much years, one would need some time to thaw out, like, to feel back the energy, to get back mixed with society, to get that feeling back. Well, finally we are here now, so yeah.
Any form of anger, when you sit and look back, so many years out of your life, spent behind bars, any form of frustration?
Well, frustration. It was a frustrating time of my life, yes. Most frustrating part of my life ever. But we are here today. We're still focused. We're still mentally firm. So I just say it's a part of life and it's an experience one would never want to encounter again. But we're here, we've learned from it. We're here to paint a better picture as we go forward in life.
So where do you go from here?
From here, I think I'd start by making the right decisions, motivating the youths, in the right future.
In the past, do you think you were misunderstood? The police, we have heard reports that they would have gone out to paint a bad picture of you. Why do you think that is so?
Well, I can't say specifically, but let me just say that I told you I was like you.
How so?
We spoke on the interview, the first interview, and I told you I was an innocent man. I told you I was wrong for accused. But it speaks for itself. The justice, I must applaud the justice system for the tremendous work in getting it right. You know? Other than that, we just here. It's nice to be free, and it's a nice feeling being free. But it's also messed up to be free and still being harassed by the system.
When you say harassed, talk to me about that.
Harassment comes on like whichever car they know that affiliates, you know, whichever car that attaches to us, like the vehicles that we are attached to, that I'm attached to, they normally gets pulled over more than once, a lot of times now since I'm home, even with the kids in the vehicle, especially a vehicle that they see that is being occupied by my baby mother. You know, they traumatize the kids often, they don't know why. I'm now free and they're still harassing me.
Are you afraid though, you know, based on what you're seeing and how they're acting, you know, are you in fear?
In fear. At times. You know, at times I'm fearful based on a certain environment or environments that I have to go through at times. I'm fearful that without the presence of, you know, elders or, you know, suitable like elders, I think things will, you know, I'm fearful that in those spaces and times things could go wrong and will go wrong because I'm still being harassed by the system.
Yeah, man, viewers, Kingston 11. This brother here attend over 4,000 funeral at Jamaica, man, tell you no. Sing, cry, ball, roll, jump on casket if you don't want. Once you have the price, is it? But anyways, he have a lot to say since COVID happened, but here we go.
I'm longing for home, the sun go way down. I want to go where sweet rest can be found. Sweet rest can, it's the height of the song, man. That'll keep right. Kingston 11 hour can call me, was a funeral man. As you're dead, call me. Talk to me now, man. Yeah, alright. This was a friend of mine that they killed, and I decided that I would have to do a song for him. So I chose the song Pilgrim and Stranger, and the reception was very, very good. Very good. It was trust me, it was good. So I decided, you know, I'm going to start doing a thing like this. But another funeral now, I was doing this down there, but another funeral down in 2010, a lady that I killed at the bus stop in Warthouse, Karen. When I did her funeral at a church on Oakland Road, trust me, it was different. The church was upside down. So I just decided that continue on a journey. This is can be a job, a profession. I started out with singing, but finding myself now, seeing that myself, I'm very emotional, so at times I'm at some funeral and I find myself crying and I don't know who is the person is and things. So I just put everything in and just answer that, you know, this is a profession.
Alright, so what exactly do you do?
Alright, most of the time I get called like, I have a funeral, I come do a song for me. And I just say $3,000. But what happened was I was at Midwest doing a funeral here. And after that funeral, I left and go over to a next funeral that I said. And I started singing and people were crying, so I started to cry too. And after I finished doing what I was doing, a person from nowhere asked me if which funeral I come. So I tell them the one before. And I end up getting a little change, so I just tell myself, so, you know, so this is a profession. And I start work with it.